Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
Celebrate Valentine's Day. All the kids in Tex and Indi's kindergarten class were working extra hard to clean up the room because once everything was put away, the Valentine's Day party could begin. "That was a speedy cleanup," said Miss French. "Now you can go to your cubbies to get your valentines." But when Indi looked in her backpack, there were no valentines. "Oh no!" she cried. "I was so busy looking for my red hair ribbons this morning that I forgot to bring my valentines." "That's okay," said Miss French. "We can hand yours out tomorrow." "But that won't be the same," said Indi. "It won't be Valentine's Day tomorrow." "I have an idea," said Tex. "What if we just say my valentines are from both of us?" "But they already say from Tex," said Indi. "We can fix that," said Tex. He found a marker, and after the words from Tex, he wrote, "and Indi." Indi's frown turned into a great big smile. "Thanks for being such a nice brother, and a good friend too. Happy Valentine's Day, Tex!"
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.